All right, we're gonna do some conversions. We're gonna do conversions with fractions, decimals, and percents. You have that flip chart in your notebook, and these are the exact same examples, but I know sometimes you guys like to see them worked out instead of just looking at that example. So we're gonna do the first three in this video, the next three in the next video. So I have fraction to percent. This one has a few more steps than some of the other ones, so let's really pay attention here. So when I have a fraction like 1/4 and I wanna change it to a percentage, what I need to do is, first I need to change it to a decimal. The way we do that is top in, bottom out as a division problem. So top in, 1, bottom out. Now 4 can't be divided into 1, so I need to put a decimal here and add a 0, and I'm gonna put that decimal up there. So now I'm gonna do 4 into 10. 4 goes into 10 twice. That's 8. I'm gonna do my subtraction. I'm left with 2. All right, let's keep going. I'm gonna add a 0, bring it down. 4 goes into 20 5 times. 4 times 5 is 20. That zeroes out, so I'm done. I have the decimal 0.25. So what I'm trying to do is get my fraction to a percent. I got it to a decimal, so 1/4 is the same as 0.25. And now to get that to a percent, I can move my decimal 2 places to the right. All right, so now it's gonna be 25%. So fraction to percent, 1/4 becomes 25%. Now let's do fraction to a decimal. We just did it right here. We moved our fraction to a decimal, so it's gonna be those same steps. The top is gonna be in, the bottom is going to be, the bottom's gonna be out. All right, so we're gonna do our division problem. Top goes in, bottom goes out. 8 cannot go into 3, so I need to do my decimal and add a 0. Put that decimal at the top. 8 can go into 30 3 times. 8 times 3 is 24. I'm gonna subtract. I'm left with 6. I'm gonna keep going. I'm gonna bring my 0 down. 8 goes into 60 7 times. 8 times 7 is 56. I'm gonna keep going. I get 4 and 0. I'm gonna bring down that 0 all the way down. 48 goes into 40. 5 times 8 times 5 is 40, so I am done. So 3/8, once I divide it, is 0.375. So my fraction to a decimal, I divide top in, bottom out. Okay, let's do the third one. Decimal to a percentage, decimal to a percentage. So I have 0.467. All right, when I do my decimal to percentage, all we're doing is moving that decimal 2 places to the right. I'm a person who gets my rights and lefts confused all the time, so if it helps you to put right and left on your paper like that, that's something we do a lot in class. So if I'm thinking 2 places to the right, I'm gonna go 1, 2. So my new percentage is 46.7%. So we're going to do the next 3 in the next video. So if you need decimals to fractions, percents to fractions, or percents to decimals, tune into that video.